Hi guys, I want to show you my newest project, which is Akhal Legend. It's Turkmeni horse, and I'm still working. It's very early stage. It's paper mache, means it's just paper and water and adhesive, the wallpaper adhesive. Still need to work more. At the end I will paint monochromatic, made black. I'm looking for the A-bulbs, like the glassy one, to put inside the holes, the A-holes. The brain is not a part of the thing, but it's just now carrying the weight because it's still wet, so I don't want it to misshape. I'm very glad and happy that I managed to catch the anatomical features, like the rams of the mandible, or the platysma, the wrinkles of the skin, the sternocleidomastoidus muscle, jugular vein, the spine, is here. Still need to work more. It's still wet, so I can't do anything at the moment. It's how it looks now. When I will finish, it will look much more better. Still need to really finish. Make the second side because it's all time wet and then blocked. Yeah, as I'm saying, the spine, of course, the vertebrae, the veins. Try to be as much I can be correct. The nostrils, you see, and I was trying to get the emotion of the frightened, like frightened as much as to being aggressive, because animals, when they are frightened the most, they are most aggressive. So if your dog is very frightened, it might bite you, but it's not because it's bad, but because it's frightened. And the same happens with the horses. If they are very scared, frightened, and they can't run away from you or from the danger, they can get aggressive. But as well, they have many behaviors and like a human being. The brain I made myself as well. It was for the another project for the Fame Lab, and it's anatomically correct as well, and was done for the explanation of schizophrenia disease. Okay guys, if you like or don't like, please leave a comment, thumbs up or down, and I'm waiting. Thank you for watching.